Howdy howdy, welcome back to Silverpunk. In today's video it's just going to be another run through. Just going to run through how February went. I said I was going to do these once a month to show how the business was progressing. So there we are, it's the 29th of Feb, 20 past 11. So I think we can definitely call it a day on sales for this month unless something comes in this afternoon, but I doubt it. But no, you never know. So what I'll do, we'll get straight into the nitty gritty. We'll get straight into the numbers because I suppose that's what people are interested in now. You know, people like to see how stuff's going. In the month of February, the total sales come to £662.47, and that worked out at about 19.6 ounces troy sold, and the actual cost of the silver was £462.13. So when you work it all out, take that from that and blah blah blah, it works out at £200 and £34 profit. No, 34p profit, sorry. £200, 34p. Again, probably on, if I remember rightly, I think last month was 221 quid. So on a par with last month, give or take 20 quid. That's okay. And it feels, yeah, not as good as last month, obviously, but it's only 20 quid. But for some reason, this month feels a lot better. It just feels so much better than last month. And I think I had some custom pours that people asked me to do, so that was really exciting in the community. So a couple of channel bars and what have you. So that was really cool. And I've just been really pleased. This month, I can't explain it, but this month just feels a lot better. It feels as if I found my place a little bit more. I just know what's going on, and lots of reasons really. Obviously not the monetary side, as you can see. I mean the 200 quid profit. I mean that works out. I did do the maths, so I have to. Works out at £6.90 a day. You know, not the best of Bunsen burners, is it? But yeah. But as I say, I'm feeling a lot better. This month's felt a lot better, and it's just been really cool. I think I'm finding my feet a little bit more on YouTube. I've found Stacker Social has given me a massive boost, hanging out in there. I will put the link to that down in the description. It's just a great place to chill, hang out. As some great chats about silver, gold, content creation, and it's been a great help. It really has. It's as I say, I think I found my place. I found my feet. It feels like home. So that's why it's giving me a boost this month. Yeah, I'm feeling really on it. The YouTube side of things, again, that as well. It's really been the last week that I've found my feet there. I feel like I've found my style now, and I've found the process. I've found how I want my videos to be, what kind of route they're taking, the A, B, C, D, E. That's yeah, it's all starting. It's just like the little seeds just germinating now. I feel like, yeah, I'm finding my feet, and it's starting. I hope, fingers crossed we don't get a cold snap and it all goes. But yeah, and YouTube at the moment, it's on fire. There's some really cool stuff. I mean, the Stack Collector's knocking it out of the park with some of his stack chats. Been amazing. Some of the guests he's had on, some proper bullion people. I think it was Cardiff Gold from memory and some other guys. Really cool. He also had Pit Bullion on a few back, and yeah, just some, yeah, really good. Can't speak highly enough for that channel. Silver Sins as well, he's knocking it out with the review videos. Some really good reviews. He's buying some really cool stuff. I know he had some, I watched one this morning, some liquid metals bits and pieces. Now they do some really good hand poured stuff, and he was pleased with those, and I've got some of them in my stack. That was really cool. 365 as normal, you know what you're getting with the old 365. Top drawer, great ideas, you know, and there's too many to mention. This video, there's too many to mention at the moment. If I haven't mentioned you are in my thoughts. Don't worry about it, and you know if I watch it because I comment, and if I don't watch it, it's just because I haven't got round to it. But I will do. I'm trying to watch more. But yeah, so that's it really. There's not a lot to say. Oh, there is. What am I saying? Going forward, yeah, going forward to March. Some really exciting news on a personal front, I'd say. But I've actually teamed up with a patron. I'm in the patron group of a 3D designer, and he does some absolutely stunning 3D designs, full figures, you name it, he can do it. So I've actually teamed up with him now, and going forward I'm going to be doing some of his designs, and I'll be showcasing them on the channel. So there's some really good pours coming up next month. I'm going to be like heading in a new direction. We've done the horror. I've kind of like done some other bits and pieces. I've done the Kratos skulls, and I've been done floppy disk, some retro. So that's the way I'm going now. Actually, so we're going in a retro gaming direction. So there's going to be some gaming characters, maybe some consoles even, and you know, computer stuff. That kind of like retro. If you think retro computing and gaming, that type of thing. So that's the month of March. That's coming ahead. So really looking forward to that. So I've had a couple of people say, oh, you need to advertise more, and they are probably right. I mean, GTS says, oh, you need to plug your website more, and he probably is right. I probably do. So I might just chuck it in here now. There you go. You getting that? So yeah, I'm always open to suggestions. GTS does Gold2 Stacker. Does send me some cool suggestions, which I thank him for. Cheers, mate. So I will have to try and do a bit more of that, but it just doesn't come natural to me, that type of thing. So I probably do have to work on the promotion. They call it marketing, don't they? I do need to work on the marketing side of the business, but it's, yeah. I'm more in it, I'll be honest, I'm more in it for the pouring. And hopefully the rest of it will take care of itself. So there you go then, guys. There's a run through. $6.90 a day. Let's push on now in March and try a bit better. So I'll catch all you guys and girls later. Cheers for watching. Ta-da.